Introducing an innovative composite anterior sculpting instrument, CASI, making contouring composite restorations simple, efficient, and predictable. CASI's unique feature of the three-plane design has been developed to maximize efficiency. The thin edges allow for unprecedented access in hard-to-reach areas. The opposing side of the instrument is designed for contouring the mesial and distal line angles. Here is a brief demonstration of how the instrument can be used. As you can see, the instrument has a built-in three-plane shape. The mesial and distal line angles can be shaped utilizing the other side of the instrument. CASI comes in two finishes, titanium-coated and stainless steel. Each finish comes in two pairs. The larger for centrals and canines, the smaller for laterals and lower anterior teeth. CASI is a multifunctional instrument ready to be used. First, take the composite and tack it down on the surface of the tooth using the convex surface of the instrument. Once the composite is properly tacked down, the convex surface can be used to evenly spread the material across the tooth. Now, using the other end of the instrument, shape the mesial and distal line angles of the tooth. Next, begin to shape the facial plane contour of the tooth using the concave surface of the instrument. Once the facial plane contour has been shaped, remove the excess material from the end of the tooth. Finally, as you finish shaping the composite, remember there is no set way to use the instrument. Feel free to utilize all sides of the instrument to properly shape the tooth. Clinicians can enjoy the benefits of saving time and money with the unique features the CASI offers. Simple design and elegance. CASI.